Hello friends, welcome back. In the last video we looked at how we can download a CSV file from Kaggle. Now this is our CSV file, which is chocolate sales, and you can see that it is in the D drive under a folder called PBI. Now the first step is we will go to Power BI. As you can see that because I've already installed Power BI, it's already here on my system here. And what we are using is the Power BI desktop. So once you start Power BI, you will get a lot of options, out of which I would recommend we'll start with blank report here. And as we continue, we will see other options. But now let's go to blank report. And here we will have to import data from Excel or import data from SQL Server or paste data into a blank table, use sample data. So there are a lot of options. Let me just magnify this for you. Okay. So it is like this: import data from Excel, import data from SQL Server, and the other options. What we are going to do is we are going to click on this option here. And once you click on that option, you will be able to go to that particular archive, and you will see the CSV files here. So we can say all files. So you will get a CSV file here and you can open it. So let me explain once again. If I go to import data from Excel, it will try to find for Excel files, but we don't have Excel file, but we have a CSV file. So we will go for all files option, which will bring us to chocolate sales file, which is a CSV file, and just click open. So you can see that it is connecting to the data source, and here you go. You already have got your chocolate sales data source in the Power BI. So this is your first attempt to get the data in your Power BI. So let me just zoom in now. I'll close the zoom out, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so then we have three options here. One is load, transform data, and cancel. So we'll look at this in the next video, but now I want you to rewind this video and try to first get your CSV file, save the CSV file, extract the CSV file, and then open the CSV file in Power BI. After this, we will take care of how to load the data or transform the data, what each options actually mean. Okay, so right now I'll cancel it. And as we continue, we will also look at various options on the visualizations part, like various graphs we get here, and how we can use these graphs, etc. Okay, so please rewind the video and bring your data in the Power BI. Thank you.